Best camping stoves for every camper in 2023. Gourmet in the great outdoors. With so many products on the market, picking out the perfect pick will be challenging. So we've chosen the 6 best products out there to make it easier for you. Please check the description for more information and its latest pricing. Camp Chef Mountain Series Teton 2X. The Camp Chef Mountain Series Teton 2X Two-Burner Cooking System CSA is a remarkable outdoor cooking solution designed to elevate your culinary experience in the great outdoors. With its durable and high-quality construction, this cooking system is built to withstand rugged adventures and is made with 2 powerful burners, each producing up to 10,000 BTUs of cooking power. You can effortlessly prepare delicious meals for your camping group. The burner features matchless ignition, ensuring hassle-free operation even in windy conditions. The adjustable heat control knobs allow precise temperature management for versatile cooking options. The Teton 2X Two-Burner Cooking System CSA provides ample cooking space with its 243 square inch cooking surface. It accommodates various cookware sizes from small pots to large pans, making it perfect for simmering, boiling, frying, and grilling. Safety is a top priority with this CSA-approved cooking system. It includes a built-in regulator and heat-resistant knobs, ensuring reliable and secure performance. The sturdy steel construction and removable non-stick grates make cleaning and maintenance a breeze. Experience the joy of outdoor cooking with the Camp Chef Mountain Series Teton 2X Two-Burner Cooking System CSA, a reliable and versatile cooking companion for your camping adventures. Jetboil Genesis. Traditional 2-burner camp stoves start with a rectangular box of stainless steel or aluminum, but Jetboil's Genesis stoves bring a completely different approach to camp cooking. This neat circular stove design stacks 2 burners for transport and storage. At camp, the unit unfolds, igniting quite easily, and twin burners deliver 10,000 BTUs of heat. In our test, it took just 3 minutes to have boiling water ready for coffee or pasta. The stoves can be linked with other stoves to create a series of burners to feed a hungry crew, and works efficiently paired with Jetboil's cookware systems option. Attaching the windscreen when the wind kicks up keeps the cooking process in high-performance mode. Compatible with a standard propane bottle, the kit includes a stuffed sack with a separate pocket to protect the regulator. Small, compact, and light, the Genesis 2-burner stove is a very worthy addition to a short camping trip. One GS-3400P. Dual fuel compatibility makes the One stove a great option for just about anyone. Operating as either a single-burner propane camp stove or on a butane cartridge, this budget-friendly camping stove has a propane converter regulator that doesn't include any fuel. It also has a piezo electric auto ignition, as well as a built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and gas flow cutoff, so it'll eject the cartridge once low pressure is detected, which is pretty cool. This hybrid butane and propane stove has just a single burner, so you won't be making any meals for an army, but reviewers really like this product for its versatile dual fuel system and its durability. Hike Crew 2-in-1. The Hike Crew 2-in-1 gas camping stove is a versatile and efficient outdoor cooking solution that combines a propane grill and stove burner in a single compact unit. Designed with convenience in mind, this portable cooking system is perfect for camping trips, picnics, and backyard barbecues. Featuring an integrated igniter, the stove allows for quick and hassle-free ignition, eliminating the needs for matches or lighters. The stainless steel drip tray ensures easy cleaning and prevents grease from dripping on the ground, while the built-in carrying handle makes transportation a breeze. Made with foldable legs and wind panels, this camping stove provides stability and protection against gusts of wind, ensuring a consistent and even cooking experience. The included regulator ensures safe and efficient fuel flow, and the propane grill stove burner combo offers versatile cooking options for grilling, boiling, simmering, and more. Constructed with durable materials, this Hike Crew camping stove is built to withstand outdoor conditions and is pretty easy to assemble and disassemble for storage. Enhance your outdoor cooking adventures with the convenience and versatility of the Hike Crew 2-in-1 gas camping stove. Jetboil. The Jetboil Flash Cooking System is a reliable companion for backcountry expeditions and for multi-day treks. The system includes a 1-liter insulated pot, attachable cover that doubles as a cup or bowl, piezoelectric ignition, and a fuel canister stabilizer. The compact stove runs on isobutane propane canisters, delivering 9,000 BTU, and is able to boil a liter of water in just a few minutes. But to be sure the water is boiling, wait until the logo changes color on the insulated pot's exterior. Each fuel canister has enough juice to boil up to 10 liters of water, meaning less to squeeze in your pack. Given its singular functionality, boiling liquid, it's limited to more utilitarian meals like dehydrated meal packs, ramen noodles, and coffee, though that's somewhat to be expected with multi-day adventures. It's lightweight, efficient, and has an all-in-one design that's easy to pack and repack on the trail, and it's only meant for boiling liquid. BioLite CampStove 2. When BioLite first emerged on the scene 10 years ago, it seemed like a bit of a marketing gimmick. A wood-powered, smokeless stove that uses a thermoelectric generator to simultaneously charge the smartphone. But they have caught on, not just as quirky stoves for outdoor lovers, but also to create safe, clean, and sustainable cooking systems for those living in energy poverty across the world. Where 4 million premature deaths per year are caused by fumes from open fires, the BioLite burns fuel much more cleanly and efficiently by injecting air into its mini furnace. The latest versions of this environmentally friendly stove packs down into the size and weight of a 1-liter water bottle and boils water in about 4.5 minutes. For fuel, it can use small branches, twigs, pine cones, or biomass pellets, each bag of which delivers 2 hours of cooking time. The orange battery pack on the side delivers 3 watts at full capacity, enough to charge most phones, albeit not very quickly. I could get around 10 to 15% every 30 minutes. It's also enough to power a small light. Its weight means it's more suited for car camping than multi-day packing. I'm not sure if I'd use it to cook for a whole family, although there are accessories in the form of grills and coffee pots to tempt you. Not quite as practical as it seems, but the BioLite's sustainable credentials plus the phone charging capabilities are a great selling point.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.